welcome back to my channel. My name is Navita P. Thank you so much for joining me. Based on analytics, 90% of you are not subscribed. Please subscribe today, right now. I'm gonna wait 5 seconds. You're going to be helping me support my channel, help me grow as a YouTuber, and encouraging me to continuing to make videos for you guys every week. And again, if you're new here, I talk about personal finances, side hustle, entrepreneurship, a whole lot of other topics. I want to get into this video, and this video is specifically about starting an Etsy shop, or really my journey as a newbie, really starting an Etsy shop, creating a brand. And so I just want to share with you my shop, and I want to share with you my brand. It's fairly new. I'm going to show you right after this. Okay, so again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now and hit that like button. So now that's out the way, let's get into this video. Okay, so I started a brand shop, I should say, is called The Beloved Lotus. And so The Beloved Lotus is really a jewelry company. And so there's a few bracelets on there. And if you guys like my bracelets, go ahead and check out my shop. If you would like to support this channel, you can go ahead and purchase one. If not, that's fine. Completely fine with me. Just wanted to throw that out there so you know it's out there. So let me go ahead and click on the Etsy shop, and you can take a look at it for yourself right here. Okay, this is the shop, and this is the image that I have on top here. It's called The Beloved Lotus. On the packaging, it says Beloved Lotus and not The Beloved Lotus. But anyway, for the most part, the shop is called The Beloved Lotus. I've always been obsessed with lotus flowers since I was small, so I love that, and I wanted to just incorporate that into my jewelry. And right here you'll see the logo. I designed it, and I also created the packaging. I ordered it custom made. Anyway, so if you take a look at it, I don't have an image here. Maybe I should have added an image. This is a brand new shop. So I have 4 bracelets, only bracelets, and I don't have any other products on here, just 4 items. You can see them on top here. There's a turquoise bracelet, a chakra bracelet, a chakra bracelet. This one's like a diffuser. I should probably add that to I did add it to the description. So what I want to show you is the brand, the product on my site, and I will also want to show you the actual product. So I'm going to get that right now. Hang tight. Okay, so I'm back. So this is the box. I don't know if you could see that. Okay, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to open the box. I actually purchased this, got it made on Etsy. It's on another shop. You see it has this little cushiony thing here. And so the way it would be delivered, the product would be delivered like this inside the box. So it would not be in like a plastic Ziploc bag or anything. And it would have a little bow. It's actually not stuck on right now, but you could see this is how it would be packaged and mailed out. Okay, so that's my product. And I also will show you live if you like. This is diffuser bracelet, beautiful chakra, beautiful bracelet. This is the silver one. You see it's a beautiful leaf. And this is the regular chakra bracelet, the 7 stone. These are all 3 are so beautiful. And I'm just going to share with you how it looks like. You can see how it looks like on my hand, hopefully. Okay, so now you've seen it. They're absolutely beautiful, beautiful gifts. Take a look at them on my shop. And you can see that this shop is brand new. I started it just recently. There's only 4 items. And I've also included a video. I'm going to play it. You're able to upload a video when you're creating your shop. You can upload a video. So I don't know how it's going to sound, but I'm going to go ahead and play it. Okay, so I'm going to click play and we can listen to the video. I just, hopefully it's okay. Let's take a look. Okay, so it's a fairly 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. 3-second video. I think that's standard. So you can see I used my little flower thing in this video. So it looks pretty nice. It looks good. So far, no sales. Again, it's brand new, and I actually took all the images myself, and I'll talk about the wording just now there. Okay, so we can take a look at the images. I designed this myself. I took the pictures. You can see put free shipping here. That's my hand. I want to show my hand. It doesn't look great. The packaging. I'm not a professional photographer. I'm by far not the best at this, but I'm trying. And so you can see how the images came out. I think it came out okay. They look good, not that bad. It could be better, but hey, it's all good. So these 3 items are mine, and the wording, I put that in there. So this, to set up the account is fairly easy. I know I said I was going to talk about setup, but it's more about the process and more about you creating this brand that you want to create along with keywords. And so I actually had my own keywords that I thought were the proper keywords to use, and then when I actually mimicked other people, really taking a look at other shops on here, the feel of what they're doing. So I am trying to sell chakra bracelets. So if we check here, there are actually other people selling chakra bracelets, and so the ones at the top are all, I believe, advertised. I might be wrong, but they might be advertised, and you can actually see which one's a bestseller. This one here, look at how the photograph, how beautiful. They put a leaf here on some sort of wood, and it looks amazing. Look at this one with a flower, and that's kind of the idea of that I was going with this flower. So you can see they're all, you know, different prices, different images. You know, they have this unique look to them. And so if you have a product that looks similar to someone else's, don't panic. Look at what is making their product stand out and sell. So let's take a look at this one. The words that they're using is rainbow chakra, chip beaded bracelet, crystal jewelry, gemstone bracelet, healing crystals and stone. Beautiful image, beautiful image. I love how they incorporated their name, thrown in stones. They sold 147,000 bracelets. Beautifully done. Love it. I really like how subtle the name is. The logo is on the image. Very nice. Looks professional. The up close shot, you know, maybe I don't have, you know, a lot of up close shots, but let's just compare. It's nice to compare what other people are doing. I mean, this is kind of an up close shot. It's okay. Obviously the lighting in this looks so subtle and relaxing, and I think that's the image that they're going for. Very nicely done. Beautiful bright white background, even better, showing the ruler against the bracelet, showing the size and the packaging it comes in. And of course they have all these reviews, and very nicely done, good reviews. Let's take a look here at the description. Okay, so it's pretty long, tells you exactly what you're getting, and if you go down here it'll tell you more. Still very, very nice. It tells you the shipping cost. Mine is free shipping, but either way, I love it. It looks great. And following what someone else is doing is what can help you figure out what you should be doing. So the way I received, let's go back to mine here. The way I received or determined my keywords, I actually went on FIVERR and ordered. So this is all a test. I want to make that clear. Like, I'm testing out different things to see if it will work. Right off the bat, the first thing I did, and I want to get into the test. Okay, so I did a test to really get the keywords, because the way I was deriving keywords or determining what keywords I should use, I would really just check out TubeBuddy or Keywords Everywhere and things like that and searches. But I decided to hire someone to do it. I went on FIVERR and I was able to get someone to give me some of the keywords that I should be using. So that's what really determined what I should do. Some of these keywords I already put in there, some of them was given to me. So if you go back to the other listings, let's click on this one. You'll see it says chakra bracelet for women, real stones, 7 chakra stones, lava rock diffuser bracelet, elastic, yoga beads, bangle, the beloved lotus. So for each one, I put in the brand, the name, the beloved lotus, and so I was able to incorporate that in each of the listings. Let's take a look at this listing. You know, I put free shipping. It's nice to add a little graphic in between and not just the images. Maybe there's more that I can do with that in the future. I made it look a little Christmassy, little, you know, the stocking in the background, little Christmas tree there, you know, just to make it look more festive. And so those were my images. I took all these shots myself. They're not perfect. They're not, you know, the best photography out there, but they are good. They are good. So this is my paragraph. The person that on FIVERR who did the SEO keywords also gave me a description, and I was able to incorporate that into each of the bracelets and each listing. Again, there's only 4 listings and 4 products, and that's really what it is. So that is my Etsy shop, and there's not much to it. I mean, it's fairly simple. I don't have 100 products. I only have 4, and I don't want to add more products to it. I'm happy with just the items that I'm selling with the bracelets. I mean, it just doesn't make sense for me to add more at this point when I have inventory and I just want to see if it's going to sell. And these are the items. So that's what I want to talk about was the keywords. So I did that test. It's been a few days. I put in the keywords and I will update you guys with what the results are. Right now I can show you the second thing. The second test I did was you see it says 0 revenue, no items sold, but I also did a test with the Etsy marketing. So if we click on Etsy marketing, we click on Etsy ads. I actually had this, I think, at $50 one day. I did $20 one day, but I didn't actually spend the $20. It's really the amount of clicks that you receive, and that's how much you would be charged. You can see right there, it says I spent $8.93 on ads. So I didn't recoup that money yet, but I was able to see how the ads work. And I know I was watching another YouTuber, which I forgot her name offhand, but she's also doing tests on trying to make sales and get more traffic to her site, to her Etsy shop, and it wasn't working out. And so I wanted to try it myself. And so the Etsy ads or ad campaign, I'm not really thrilled with. I don't think it does much. But we can go ahead and look at the analytics, the stats. And so, you know, a few days here and there, I got some traffic, some visits, some clicks. And it says here, you know, maybe if I move it over, you can be able to see it. Okay, it says here how shoppers found you. Etsy brought 40% of the visits. So Etsy app and other Etsy pages, this was 13, but by Etsy ads, 24 people were able to find me. 0 Etsy marketing SEO, Etsy search, so people who typed it in, 10 people found me in that way, which is good. So I want to see if these numbers will change the next time around. So maybe the next week or so, or maybe the next few days, or even tomorrow. I will update you guys and let you know what's going on with this new venture. Let me know if you have any suggestions or any comments, anything you would want to see, and if you like what I have to offer here on Beloved Lotus, go ahead and take a look at the bracelets. Maybe you might want one for a friend, a family, and you can help support this channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I believe I hit everything that I wanted to hit and really talk about the keyword. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, doing tests on different online platforms, let me know in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.